Then if you come down now.
This is absolutely nuts.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
No man, how really are going? So them people are going so. Yo, got people are going man for see Messi man. Bombard. General people. Watch it. And them thing are going? No man. Yo, Messi, you're really the goat, brother. May I tell you? The goat is back. Watch your boss, goat himself. Okay. Somebody welcome. Welcome.
Batty boy!
Will face LAFC.
A few moments later.
Yo, man.
Giovanni.
Which perfume man I wear? Oh, yo.
You remove your pussy hole and come down. Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Two 2,000 years later.
At them suck me ya. Make me dark up a bumbo clad place, you know. You see them suck me ya.
Yes, people, you don't know me the facts, you know. Come for talk facts. People, remember this. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. People, click the subscribe button. Subscribe to me human job. You understand? Yeah, man, people, you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, I mean the facts, man. I will come for talk about and just see the video, them and the excitement we go on a stadium. Yesterday, you understand? Yeah, man, you don't know the GOAT Messi. Yeah, man. Look on it. Look at the stadium. Sold out. Look at it. Look on Jamaican field. In people? Tell me now, people. You understand? This is a historical moment. You understand? Yeah, man, it's a historical moment, man. Yeah, man, I not like the stadium. I don't know anything about it. Look like them do the runaway, the track field and thing for Messi in my field. That's why them do it. Cause it look good. It's a good look. Whole stadium. You understand? Boy, about people, I tell you, you know. I don't really know what going on, but I see some Gaza fans in some commenters say, yo, Kartel first do this and one bag of thing and Ray and Tate. Yo, Jano, I can't believe say Gaza fans really people them have said that. Like, they might try to compare vybzkartel with Messi, which there's no comparison. You see, you don't know, Kartel not reach Messi level yet, but if you see people are compare about stadium thing and all of them little thing, remember, you know, you see me? Stadium full out, you know. Buying one zine, buying a day and a half announcement, you know, when the man drop down, you know. Zine, when the man touch down in a jet there. You understand? Yeah, man. It's a historical moment, man. Me I tell you, you know. But me not lie still, you know. Boy, you know, you look away. You look away, people. Yeah, man, you look away, man. Look away, say, yo. The mafia, they and the football team, them. Jano, Jamaican people, man, I tell you, man, imagine your side get score up and I celebrate, but me not lie still. The reason why they say them full, you don't know Messi. Messi cause that. Messi is the man. Messi turn Kingston upside in down. You understand? Yeah, man, the whole stadium ram. All people outside couldn't get for go in. You understand? Be a bomb rush, man, a jump, stadium wall and all of them, scale it, everything, you see me? But this is a great look. The Jamaica, I know the Messi fan them, you see me, from Barcelona, PSG, you don't know Argentina fans them. Yeah, man, the whole of them run out, man. Yeah, man, you see me, people them run out, man, not lie. You see, come support the thing and whatsoever. And you don't know the side the Messi I play for. So you see me? Yeah, man, the people them, it's a great look. It's a great look. And you don't know at first Messi are touching a yard and you don't know the Jamaican people. Sometimes they always say Jamaican people not friendly with people, but the way how Messi people are going to rot it, I tell you. I play the people, man, them Messi and them baller, man. Yeah, man, it's a historical moment, man. You see it? But I just one of them thing the people, cause see a bag of things, see all you don't know, see all the youth you run on the field and all of them little thing there. I don't know, it look like you want to greet Messi. You see me? Yeah, man. And me see Suave, when him Suave girl could use a shirt, but me say somebody take away shirt to Ratty, but I think him get it back still. You see me? Yeah, man, him get it back, man. You see it? Boy, me I tell you, the brother there. The brother there with Messi give shirt, you know, me I tell you, say, man, a sniffy shirt like Coke to bombard. Man, I say, yo, where Messi get that from? You see it? Man, I say, yo, where Messi get that cologne from? But you know, why for that, brother? But you know, say Messi are the goat and I respect him and all of them little thing there, you see me? But people, me not like stadium look good. I love how them do the track and field part, you see it? Jamaican colour, me not lie, you see me? You know how they look good, people? You know them stadium there where they are foreign? You know them stadium, football stadium where they are foreign where with the shed. So you see right at the grandstand there, so if you see the shed right there, so Zane. You see if that they go right around the stadium, like push out a little more and make the center of the field alone there, so have a space where you can look up in the sky and just the sky. Trust me, man, that would look nice, man. You see me? Stadium can luxurious and everything. You see me? Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. You see me? Yeah. The stadium can do more. You see it? Can do more, man. I not lie. But the stadium is a good. I like how them change the Jamaican colour. It more Jamaicanish, cause the look blue colour them. It's just too plain. You see, but this with the Jamaican colour now, yeah, this look good. You see, them just need to sort out the field more, you see me? Prep up the field, the football field more, you see me? But I feel like say it need like a little, if you could get a little shelter. Seem like a grandstand stay, you see me? But push out more, so when you look on the rooftop there, so you should have push out more to where you see the more like a grey concrete part. You see me, I guess them should have make it build it right around the stadium, you see it? And then heavy light in there, and yeah, man, that would have look good, man. That would have look good. You see it? That would have look good. It would have be like an inside stadium thing, like where you have a overseas, you know, you have a football and you have a track and field. Yeah, man, proper thing that, man, proper thing. But people, me I tell you, yeah, man, me I see people, I say, yo, Kartel first do this and very. I tell you about some of them guys are funny, you know, you see me? But as I go, them are sheep, you know. So you can't really expect better from them. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah, man, people, you can't expect nothing better from them. You see it? Yeah, man, but it's a good look. I not lie. Messi come drop a bomb in a Kingston, yeah. You see me? Yeah, man. The body forward out to see Messi, you see it? Everybody forward out. All the keeper there, Jano. Although I lose him all, but the keeper there must have tell him son or daughter and say, yo, you know, say Messi scoop on me. Yeah, man. You see it, but it's a good look. You see me? Jano, I just wish the Jamaicans them would have forward out and support them own team like this. You see me? But I guess true, you know, Jamaican team always let them down, so them not really. But Messi is a great baller, you know, the greatest baller of all time. So it's like, yo, remember, you know, we don't know, people don't know when them are going to see back Messi again. You see me? We're not sure if Messi even come back to Jamaica again, you see me? So everybody want to get a glimpse of him and everybody want to touch, and you see me? You see all of the man when Messi touch him, man, them and then wash, you know. Right now if a man could just cut it off and just replace it and put it up, then would I do it. You see me? Yeah, man, them would do it, man. You see it. But, yeah, man, me not lie. The stadium look nice. A nice little view, me not lie. You see it? It's a nice little view, this. I tell you people, nice little view, this, man. You see me? As me say, the stadium can look more stadium-ish, you know, some overseas stadium. You see it? Yeah, man. They look proper. You see it? But, boy, Messi, you come like, yeah, King of Kingston to Rotted, cause we all you do this a stadium, yeah. I tell you, everything Messi do, people them real up, you know. Yeah, man, everything as Messi get the ball, real up. As the man walk on the field, real up. Yeah, man, I play the people, them, man, you see it? People them fall out for them baller, man. You see me, I see himself Christy come and maybe people that fall out to. Or Neymar, you know, them big top baller there. People that did them, man. You see me? But it was a historical moment. You see it? Yeah, man, people, you don't know media facts now. Yo, look at the people. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember. Me have to tell you again. You understand? Yeah, man. Like, share, and subscribe, people. You don't know the boys. Me the facts. Yeah, man. People, big up on yourself, you know. Respect for the support. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. All the time, man. Big up everybody. You see me? You can leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. People, look on Jamaica National Stadium. Look on it.